Okay, can you start reading, Alex? Come on.
Airplanes, Daddy.
Anything you want to read. What do you want to read there?
Airplane.
Airplane. No, click the airplane.
How? This button?
Yeah, click the button.
How?
Oh. Yan, read mo yan.
Airplane.
Read this paragraph.
Okay. We can download it.
No, you just read it. Come on.
Okay, airplanes. How people embarrassed ways and airplanes to the end will read about how people use these amazing machines decorate programs and you did
Engage.
engage
Emergent.
readers.
Very good.